Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this easy, delicious mac and cheese recipe, perfect for the holidays. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So I'm going to be using 4 cheese for this recipe. Of course, macaroni, use any pasta you want. You know, macaroni and cheese, we're going to use macaroni. I do like to use macaroni or the spiral pasta. Now I'm going to go in with this farmhouse cheddar. It's a number 5 strength. I do like it. It's just got a nice tangy, crystally kind of texture. It's so good. Also some red Leicester. I love using red Leicester for the color. Mozzarella cheese, and also my mature cheddar. And also I'm just going to use some evaporated milk as well. Now to cook my pasta, I do like to go in with a chicken bouillon cube. Just let that come to a boil and add your pasta. Now cook your pasta according to the packet instructions or the way you like it. Some like it underdone, some like it a little bit overdone. Just make sure you cook it to your preference. Now I do like to rather use block cheese and grate it myself rather than use the pre-grated cheese. Well, you know, I did have the pre-grated mozzarella, but yeah, you know, I'd prefer mozzarella in the shop, so we have to go with that one. But you know, the other ones, you realize they have a coating on them, so for me it's better to use, I don't know, just find it tastes better when I grate my own cheese. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. You can follow me on all social media platforms. Just search Shell's Homestyle Kitchen, and you know, someone will just pop up like that. Now whilst my pasta is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead now and start. No, whilst the pasta was cooked, when I say yeah, same pot, never did I go dirty no pot. But you know, whilst your pasta is cooking, you can go ahead and make the sauce. Now I'm gonna go in with my evaporated milk, and I did go in at about half a cup of normal milk. Totally up to you, you don't have to. I'm gonna sprinkle in a little bit of dried parsley. I'm like little specks in it, but that's completely optional. You know, something don't really have no taste, so it don't really matter. Now once I melt my cheese, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my cooked pasta, give it a good old mix, and then just transfer it to the plate. Now I do like to go ahead and, you know, put some mozzarella in between the layers, you know, just for that extra cheesy stretchy goodness and ting. Now I don't overload my container, because you know the cheese, it's gonna go in the oven and you don't want the cheese to melt and nasty up the oven, because yeah, too much work. That we're not depend that around here. Now once you've added your pasta, just go ahead and add, I like to go ahead and add a good layer. Now look on this little boy with him paint up and I come but him want for help. You know, you just have to make them do them thing, you know. But yeah, I do like to go in with a big layer of cheese on the top for just that nice cheesy top. You know, them ones there do like to sprinkle a little paprika and, you know, a little more parsley on top of it to, you know, make it look pretty. Now I put this in the oven for literally about 10 to 12 minutes. Now depending on how much, I did set my oven quite high, depending on how crunchy or over, but we don't really want it to burn up. I just want a nice soft layer on the top, and there you have it, the easiest mac and cheese recipe you're going to find right about now. Easy, tasteful, just nice. Now come on, talk to me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now tell me, make sure you leave me a comment. Niceness overload. Thanks again for watching, guys, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.